So now I've got my steak ready to go, and what we're gonna do is sear it off. And the reason we wanna sear it is we wanna get that caramelization on the outside of our steak before we finish it off in the oven. So I've got a hot saucepan or saute pan ready to go, and I'm gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil at the bottom. And that's gonna really help us get a nice crust on the outside of our steak. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it in face side down for a few minutes. The thing is you want to put it in and let it sit. Don't try and move it around. Let it get nice and dark on the outside. As you can see, I've got a really nice dark crust on the outside of the steak, and that's exactly what you want. But we're going to go ahead and make sure that we get the other side as well. So I'm going to set this in here, and as it caramelizes, the sugars on the outside of the steak are going to get nice and good, and that's what makes that nice caramelized brown color on the outside of the steak. Okay, so now if you look at my roulade, I've got a beautiful caramelization on all four sides here. So I just wanted to show you so you could know what it's supposed to look like before you put it in the oven. So I'm going to place it in the oven.